As she re-emerges in front of you from the right, Tolly will be carrying out a hesitation roll to demonstrate the agility and the controllability of the aircraft. And here she goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and wait for it. A bonus. A bogey has been reported at 6 o'clock and Tolly has been asked to engage. There she pulls up for a vertical pitchback and re-emerging like the term radiance, which means Tejas in Hindi. He will now turn hard left with maximum rate to get the angles right for a quick burst of the 23mm gun. And here she goes. And the threat ceases to exist. Please look straight ahead of you as Tolly positions himself for a vertical Charlie. Watch as he prepares to pull up into the sky, flaunting his Delta platform. Tahiyya Emirati. Do not take your eyes off him as he positions for the slow march. This maneuver demonstrates the exceptional low-speed capability of the aircraft. Please keep looking for your left as Tolly starts knocking off some knots and flies by you at a staggering speed of just 120 knots. Here she comes on the left.